Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to copper wrapped crystals. Start by choosing a clean crystal and a length of copper wire, then secure a small loop at the top to form a bail. Gently wrap wire around the stone, keeping tension even and avoiding sharp kinks. Use pliers to tuck ends neatly and polish the wire to remove fingerprints. Work slowly and enjoy the calming rhythm of wrapping each piece. In this video, I will show how to copper wrapped crystals. Pick an 18 to 22 gauge copper wire based on your crystal size and gather round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and cutters. Keep a soft cloth and a file nearby to smooth rough ends and polish the final wrap. Practice basic loops on scrap wire until comfortable, then test tension and fit before wrapping a treasured crystal to avoid mistakes. In this video, I will show how to copper wrapped crystals. Start by forming a secure top loop and anchor the wire with 2 tight wraps around the stone base. Continue with decorative wraps that cross and hold the crystal, but leave the face visible to showcase its natural beauty. Trim excess wire and use pliers to tuck ends flush, then polish the copper to enhance shine and prevent tarnish over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.